Is jaggery really a good substitute for sugar? Does it help in combating the side effects of sugar in your body? There is so much of information out there for and against it that it can be really confusing. So here's the thing. If you count the calories, carbs, etc. that jaggery has against sugar, then you will not see too much of a difference. If this is the reason you are switching to jaggery from sugar, then it won't really help you. But if you are eating sweet, then at least jaggery comes with a multitude of other benefits against sugar, especially for women. And that is what we are going to cover in this video. Make sure you watch it till the end because we will also tell you how to use it best. Hi, my name is Sophia Chand from Girls Buzz. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. You already know why. So let's dig right in. The process of producing jaggery is simple boiling of sugarcane syrup without any additives as such. So many of its nutrients are not lost in the process. Jaggery consists of iron, fiber, minerals, proteins and vitamins which help with all of these benefits. It helps in menstrual pain by releasing endorphins, which is the happy hormones. It can help with irregular periods. The potassium in jaggery helps to boost your metabolism, which is your digestive process, and it reduces water retention, so it helps somewhat in weight loss. It helps to maintain blood pressure levels because of potassium and sodium. Blood sugar levels do not spike because unlike sugar, it does not give an instant burst of energy. In fact, it slowly releases energy into your system. It helps to prevent fatigue and is a great source of long-lasting energy, again because it's a complex sugar and energy is slowly released into your system. It's great for skin health as it purifies the blood, increases hemoglobin, treats acne or pimples. It helps in detoxification of liver, stomach, intestines and lungs. It helps to maintain the red blood corpuscles and also prevent anemia as such. It has antioxidants and minerals that help boost your immunity. And with the onset of winter, jaggery can help you with cold, flu and sore throat, especially when you have it with warm milk or tea. Last but not the least, being a natural diuretic, it helps in curing urinary tract issues as well. So in a nutshell, jaggery has many other benefits besides just curing your sweet tooth cravings. But be careful. That does not mean you can go all out and eat as much as you want. Too much consumption comes with its drawbacks. Question is how much and how best can you consume it then? Anywhere between 10 to 12 grams of jaggery per day is okay to have, and here is how you can best consume it. With sesame seeds, especially for healthy skin, you can add it in your savory foods like curries, dals, etc. Add it to your rotis or rice. Use in your tea instead of sugar. Have it in warm milk, but be careful to add it at the correct temperature, otherwise your milk will curdle. You can even mix it in your chutneys, and you can combine jaggery and ginger to beat the flu and cold. Lastly, a tiny piece just like that after meals can do wonders for your digestion. One word of caution though. Jaggery may not suit everyone, so make sure you do a test run with a small piece before you go all out to include it in your diet. Before I go, if you want to know what are some of the other ways you can say no to sugar, then check out our video in the link above or the description below. Time for me to get the taste of this Pahado Wali Gud or Adrak ki chai.